Do you ever wonder what God's intent is for your life? Have you ever felt as if there was more for you to do, but you felt uncertain as to what God is calling you to do? Perhaps God has called you to do more, but you decided that now is not the time. If you've ever had any of those thoughts and questions in your journey with God, then this Women's Empowerment Day is just for you.
The Fairfax Ladies 2023 Women's Empowerment Conference will be held on Saturday, April 29th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. This day is guaranteed to inspire you to rise and allow the Spirit of God to lead you into the purpose of who God has designed for you to be. You will also learn about God's love and purpose for your life and the importance of listening and answering God's call. God is waiting on His daughters to rise and be the change this world needs to see. Get ready for courageous conversations and learn how to respond to God's plans for your life with courage, passion, commitment, and faith. So get excited. Registration is open today. For more information, visit www.fxcc.org/Women's Day 2023 or visit the Church Center app.